If I spend a few minutes listening to you talk, I can tell you where you are. Suddenly in life, your words reveal your heart and mind. They give an accurate picture of your future. What do you spend your time talking about? Your words are like a ship's rudder. They determine which direction you are going in life. Millionaires spend most of their time about ideas, and very little talking about things or other people. The middle class rarely talk about ideas and spends the majority of its time talking about things and other people, big, average, small. I once saw a plaque in a businessman's office that said, "Big people talk about ideas, average people talk about things, and small people talk about other people." That is worth repeating. Big people talk about ideas, average people talk about things, and small people talk about other people. What do you spend your time talking about? Ideas, things, or people? I am sure you have heard the old saying, there are three types of people: those who make things happen, those who watch things happen, and those who say what happened. A deeper look into these two statements reveals a secret of the very successful. Many millionaires are creative. They spend time thinking about new ideas. When working on projects, they go into an option-thinking mode and look for several possibilities to become more successful. You must continually expand your mind in a world where everything is changing fast. You would be wise to spend time thinking of new ways of doing things. Millionaires talk about ideas and make things happen. The middle class talk about things and watch things happen. The very poor talk about other people and ask what happened. Talking about things, middle class people talk about things that came from a millionaire's idea. They talk about things like cars, sports, entertainment, music, and vacations. Millionaires own the car companies. Millionaires own the sports teams. Millionaires produce the movies and television shows. Millionaires produce the music. Millionaires own the vacation spots. The middle class spend its money on the things that were created by a millionaire's idea. Let's look more closely at entertainment. The middle class and the very poor are often Hollywood's, Bollywood's biggest fans. They live for the gossips. They can't wait to see who did what. They are glued to their television sets. Entertainment has its place, but it must be kept in balance. Sure, millionaires enjoy entertainment, but they don't spend much time talking about it. One of the reasons the middle class and the very poor love entertainment so much is because they are easily impressed with fame and fortune. Millionaires choose fortune over fame. They are not easily impressed with the superficial lifestyle of so-called stars. People who are easily impressed with others are often insecure and confused about what they want in life. Millionaires are secure in who they are and what they want. When you are clear on who you are and what you want in life, you will become secure and successful. Talking about people. Of times, the middle class and the very poor are poor financially because they are poor emotionally. You can't become rich without building good relationships. If you spend much time talking negatively about others, it will cost you emotionally and financially. Talking about people behind their back is maturity ignorance. Millionaires respect people. They give people the benefit of the doubt and realize that people are doing the best they know how to do. We can always find something someone is doing that we don't like or approve of. I suggest you look for what people are doing, right? And compliment them on it. Millionaires are complimentary people. They understand the wisdom of making people feel important. Tearing down people is foolish because it puts you into a negative attitude and often traps you there. Don't get caught in the trap of talking about other people. It affects you in a negative way more than you may realize. Stop criticizing and start complimenting. You will feel better, and doors of opportunity will start to open. People love to be praised. Learn to praise people, and you will find that people will do whatever they can to help you. Millionaires do talk about things, and people, but not in the same way that the middle class does. Millionaires talk about the great ideas someone had. They talk about people who create wealth with their ideas and discuss what they can learn from them. One of my multi-millionaire friends and I swap notes from the different seminars we attend anytime we learn something new about one of our business interests. We share it with each other when we talk about other people. We discuss the ideas we learn from them, how they implement those ideas in their business, and how those ideas seem to be working for them. When millionaires talk about things and other people, it always seems to boil down to ideas. Talking about ideas. Why do millionaires spend their time talking about ideas? The answer is because they understand that it takes ideas to make money. The middle class think that you must have money to make millionaires know better. They understand that the right idea will attract the money they need. Ideas are the most valuable asset in the world. People who come up with great ideas end up with great wealth. Everything you see first started as an idea in someone's mind. If you want to become richer, then spend your time thinking about new ideas. When you get an idea, discuss it with people who are successful. If you do, they will discourage you. Millionaires talk about ideas with other millionaires. They don't discuss their ideas with people who have a limited mentality. Their middle-class mentality is limited because it doesn't acknowledge the power of ideas. Money is powerful, but ideas are even more powerful. What you can do. Talking time to dream every day. Increase your creativity. When you consciously use your imagination on a regular basis, then you will start a constant flow of ideas that can make you money. Millionaires do not have a problem finding something to do to make money. If anything, they have a problem choosing which idea they are going to act on. Here are a couple of simple ways to talk about ideas, more than things and other people. First, change your vocabulary. Talking about ideas, requirements, or different vocabulary than the middle class use. Use words like possible instead of impossible, can instead of can't, and I will instead of I should. Millionaires have positive vocabulary. This is not be positive, hocus pocus. Words are powerful. Listen to your middle-class friend, and you will find their conversations are much more pessimistic than optimistic. Millionaires speak with a strong faith. They believe they can turn their ideas into reality, and they do. Stop complaining and start learning. When the middle class complain, it is talking about things and other people. I believe that whatever you complain about, you get more of. Complain about bills or debt, and you get more of them. Complain about people treating you unfairly, and you will continually to be treated unfairly. Complain about how bad your job is, and it will get worse. The power of your words creates the experience of your life. Millionaires are not whiners. I can't recall a single time when I heard one of my multi-millionaire mentor complain about anything.